Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we'll explore the basics of ReadCloud's bookshelf. The bookshelf is your personal portal to your digital resources, which you access through a virtual cloud. The name of your virtual cloud and the digital resources within matches the real-life class it relates to. As a default display, your bookshelf will list your virtual class clouds vertically and in alphabetical order. Within each cloud, resources are displayed horizontally. Scroll across to see all the resources in each cloud, or use this button in the top right corner to toggle between the screen view or to fit all the resources within the screen. Scroll up and down to navigate your clouds, or head to the menu at the top to find a drop-down list and search for a cloud by its name. When you've found the cloud you're interested in, simply select the thumbnail image of any resource to open it. You may have noticed 3 clouds that aren't directly related to your classes. These are ReadCloud's default system clouds: My Purchases, My Interactive Login, and Local Books. My Purchases groups together your eBooks, PDFs and EPUBs, which can be accessed offline after each initial download. My Interactive Logins houses your publisher digital interactive resources which you can log into and access whilst inside ReadCloud. And finally, Local Books stores ebooks uploaded from your device. These are only visible to you and allow you to take advantage of ReadCloud's unique e-reading features. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.